The JACKYLED 113 LED solar lights come with a 16.4-foot extension cord, allowing flexible placement of the solar panel in sunny spots while the light illuminates shaded areas. Featuring 113 lensed bright LEDs, these lights provide concentrated illumination that enhances visibility and contrast during nighttime. Equipped with a high-power solar panel, the lights efficiently recharge a 1,500 milliamp-hour battery, ensuring all-night illumination without increasing electricity bills. The integrated motion sensor detects movement within a 22-foot range and offers 3 lighting modes, making it versatile for various security needs. Installation is simplified with a slide-in mounting bracket, and the IP60 waterproof rating ensures durability in adverse weather conditions. With a thoughtful design and reliable performance, these solar lights are ideal for enhancing outdoor security and convenience.